Let's talk about the pre-collision system in your NX. So you're driving along, but you're not paying attention, you're distracted, you're looking out the window, you're texting. Person in front of you slams on the brakes. The first thing that's going to happen is this screen right here to the left of your speedometer is going to turn red. It's going to say brake, and it'll begin to beep at you to get your attention. You look up, you see the person in front of you has slammed on the brakes. Your natural reaction is to also slam on the brakes. The car knows that, so it's going to send extra braking power to the brakes, so you're more likely to stop. However, if you don't have time to react, it will automatically apply the brakes and slow you down by about 25 miles per hour. So what is that going to do? It's going to buy you some time. Drive to the left, drive to the right to avoid the accident. Worst case scenario, it's better to hit somebody at 25 than say 50 miles per hour. Now there are no lights or anything indicating that this is turned on because we want to make sure it's always turned on. However, if it is turned off, you're going to get this bright yellow symbol here that looks like two cars crashing together, indicating that it is turned off. So you need to make sure it's turned back on over in your screen, pre-collision system. Make sure that it is turned on.